We're at Mandalay Bay in a Resort King Strip View room on the 23rd floor. Immediately when you enter, there's a little hallway with a mirror. It's a little dark in this hallway with the light on. Come to the main area of the room. To the left, you have a dresser with coffee maker, the snack minibar, and then you have a refrigerator minibar under here. There is no refrigerator for your own stuff. You have some drawers for your clothes, and then a television, a desk. And next to the desk, you do have electrical outlets, USB charge ports, and then connections to the TV as well. Over by the window, you have 2 chairs, a little table. The room is quite large for a regular hotel room. And on this side, you have the king-size bed with 2 end tables next to it. There are outlets on the lamps that you can use, as well as a USB charge port on the clock. This is the view of the room from the window area. Over on this side of the room, you have a closet on the left. Just a standard closet. You also have a closet on the right. And here you have the ironing board, and then you have your safe. And then in here, behind these doors, is the bathroom. Whoops. You do have a double vanity. A lot of room here if you have 2 people getting ready. There's a soaking tub. Does not have jets. And then a separate shower. And in here you have a separate water closet, toilet. This is a decent sized bathroom for a hotel room. This is a strip view. You do get a view down the Las Vegas Strip. Pretty nice. Here's a view during the day of the strip. You also have a view of the airport. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below.